In today's video, we are tackling an age-old question. Can money buy happiness? We've all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. But is it really that simple? Today, we'll explore the relationship between money and happiness, dive into some research, and clear up some common misconceptions. So let's get started. Let's start with why we might think money can buy happiness. Imagine winning the lottery. Suddenly, your financial worries vanish. You can pay off debts, buy your dream home, and take that dream vacation. That surge of joy feels like happiness, doesn't it? It's true that money can make life easier by providing you comfort and reducing stress. Well, it also allows us to access better healthcare, education, leisure activities, all of which can enhance our quality of life. But does that mean money always leads to happiness? Let's dig deeper. Here's where it gets more interesting. Now, research suggests that money's impact on happiness has limits. A well-known 2010 study found that beyond an income of, let's say, around $75,000 to $100,000 annually, the extra happiness gained from more money begins to level off. In other words, if you are struggling to meet your basic needs, more money can significantly improve your happiness. But once those needs are met, the effect of additional money on your overall happiness starts to diminish. It's like filling a glass with water. Once it's full, adding more doesn't make the glass any fuller. So while money can provide you with comfort, security, and reduce financial stress, it's not the sole key to happiness. Money certainly plays a role in improving your quality of life, especially when it comes to financial security. Not having to worry about how to pay bills or afford healthcare can drastically reduce stress and contribute to happiness. But beyond covering the necessities, does more money continue to make you happier? Studies suggest that while it can buy comforts and luxuries, it doesn't necessarily lead to a fulfilling life. True happiness often comes from things money can't really buy, like relationships, purpose, and personal growth. Think of someone who's financially wealthy but lacks close relationships or meaningful pursuits. Now, despite their wealth, they may still feel unfulfilled. This highlights that while money can enhance life, it doesn't replace the deep satisfaction that comes from meaningful connections and experiences. But no, money alone is not enough to bring lasting happiness. True fulfillment comes from finding a balance, using money to meet your needs while also investing in relationships, purpose, and personal growth. Happiness is a complex experience, not just about your bank account, but how you live your life. So while financial success is worth pursuing, also remember to invest in the things that truly bring joy. If money alone cannot buy happiness, what can? The good news is that many contributors to happiness are within our reach regardless of our financial situation, beginning with positive relationships. Strong, supportive relationships are key. People with close relationships are consistently happier and live longer. A sense of purpose. Having a sense of meaning in life, whether through work or hobbies or volunteering, that brings you deep satisfaction. Practicing gratitude can also shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, thus boosting your overall well-being. Mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise helps improve mental health and happiness, thus reducing stress and keeps you, grounded. Also helping others. Acts of kindness and volunteering can create a sense of community and purpose, increasing your own happiness by positively impacting others. So, can money really buy happiness? Well, the answer is both yes and no. Yes, money can improve your quality of life and reduce stress, which can contribute to happiness. But no, money alone is not enough to bring lasting happiness. True fulfillment comes from finding a balance, using money to meet your needs while also investing in relationships, purpose, and personal growth. Happiness is a complex experience. It's not just about your bank account, but how you live your life as well. So, while financial success is worth pursuing, remember to also invest in the things that truly bring you joy. If you're ready to dive deeper into your happiness journey, check out our practitioner programs in the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the other side soon.